Welcome to the Knox video training series. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Knox FOTA on-premise for the first time. Let's begin. Before you use Knox FOTA on-premise, you'll first need to install and run the FOTA on-premise server, obtain a Knox FOTA on-premise license, and prepare the required OS versions for deployment. There are a few key differences between the Knox FOTA cloud and on-premise versions. Devices must be manually enrolled using their IMEIs in on-premise instances. The cloud service can push or poll the server for updates, but on-premise only supports polling to enhance security. Here are the steps on how to get started with Knox FOTA on-premise. First, figure out your environment and use cases. Then, get the infrastructure installed and configured for your company. To complete the setup, we'll show you how to load licenses and versions, add and enroll devices, and create and execute your update campaigns. When you log into the Knox FOTA on-premise console, you'll be able to view the dashboard. The dashboard page provides a quick visual summary, allowing you to conveniently monitor the status of your enrolled and enterprise devices. Let's start with registering licenses. To see the license details, click on your user icon in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the new menu that appears in the left sidebar, click License. To upload a license, click Upload License. Uploading a license file either extends the expiry date of your current license or changes its seat quantity. Next, click the Versions tab in the left sidebar to review available firmware versions. Here, you can filter the list using a device's model or sales code, or with a wildcard search. Or, select a firmware version to view a detailed description for it. You can also upload new firmware versions into your on-premise instance as they become available. Now, let's add a device. You can add a device through a CSV file upload. To add new devices, from the left navigation, select Bulk Actions. In the Bulk Actions tab, click Upload Devices. Next, download the sample CSV file and populate it with your devices. Then, select your CSV file using the file browser and click Confirm. After the upload, the devices appear in the list under the Devices tab. You're now ready to enroll a device. All imported devices have the Enrollment Pending status. It's important to note that enrolling a device consumes one license seat. To enable the FOTA on-premise service on your devices, they must be connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile network. To enroll a device, create a FOTA_config file that contains the on-premise service's address and place it in the device's Downloads folder. After installing the Knox FOTA on-premise client on the device, tap the icon to launch it and establish a connection with the on-premise server. The device status shows enrollment pending until the enrollment process has completed, which may take a few minutes. Once the Knox FOTA on-premise client is installed and launched on the device, enrollment is complete. Please note that once a device is enrolled in Knox FOTA, the device no longer receives consumer-targeted software updates. New and existing campaigns can be viewed and edited in the Campaigns tab. You can create a new campaign in a few simple steps. First, provide a name for the new campaign. Next, define the campaign's target firmware version and the action for your devices to take with it. Available actions include specifying a particular firmware or locking the current firmware. After you're done, click Next. On the Policy screen, you can set update policies. Specify whether participating devices should use only Wi-Fi data to keep bandwidth usage in check. You can also require a certain battery level for the update to occur, or allow the device user to temporarily delay the update. Finally, set the time range for the campaign period. You can set campaign time to live. For example, configure start and end dates as well as the download hours. The actual campaign information could take some time to propagate down to the devices due to eFOTA client's reliance on polling mechanism to retrieve latest information from the back-end service. This concludes the demo of how to set up Knox eFOTA on-premise. For more information on Knox eFOTA or on getting started with other Knox services, visit docs.samsungknox.com. Thanks for watching.